Hi, good day. This is JR Galya, aka Dahong Laya of Garden at Biapa and Happy Farm Philippines. May kunting update po tayo sa brooding at feeding program natin ng mga sisiyo. Sa previous experiment natin at recording, umabot po tayo sa 250 grams, average 230 grams sa 3 weeks or 21 days. May konting adjustment po tayo sa feeding program natin. Okay, so the same pa rin. First 3 weeks ad libitum, pero sa third week, wala na po tayong artificial light. Meaning, makakain lang ang mga sisiyo during the day. So, isa sa nakita ko na kailangan i-adjust kasi sa fourth week parang kulang yung 30 grams per bird per day. So, parang always sila gutom at saka lumampas tayo sa target natin na timbang. So may bago tayong batch na i-record natin. So itong nasa video. So i-record natin yung weight at saka feed consumption nila up to 3 weeks. So daily yung recording. Ito yung template ko for recording. So this is 3 weeks from February 14 up to March 5. 21 days or 3 weeks. Then we have the data for feed consumption and then the average feed consumption per bird per head, and then we have the average weight. Then the number of heads, so 34 sila in case na may mortality, so we have to record para tama din yung computation natin. Then random yung pagpili out of 34. 10 yung nilista natin na weight, naka-random lang. Okay, so update tayo after 3 weeks. By the way, regarding heating, so sa heating natin na 1 week lang, and then ceramic heater yung ginagamit kasi mas matibay siya compared sa incandescent bulb na madali masira. Okay, then yung lighting natin 3 watts lang na LED. Okay, so walang changes sa heating. Yung sa lighting lang na after 2 weeks hindi na tayo mag-lighting, artificial lighting. So natural lighting lang. So makakain sila during the day.